I'm going to show you binomial distribution in this video clip. Binomial distribution is used for infinite population. For example, imagine that, not imagine, I order a lot of stuff online and sometimes I get a defective products. However, the probability is not that high, but there is a chance that once in a while I get defective products. Imagine that for example, I get 2% defective product. If we convert that to probability, is we can say 0.02, something like that. Now, if I order, say, 50 products in next month, what is the probability that I will get, say, 2 of them bad? So I'm looking for a probability. I order 50 in my next 50 orders coming from online order, and what is the probability that 2 of them will be defective? Now this probability 0.02, which I can indicate P0 is 0.02. Most book indicate that way. Now probability of getting a good product, then it would be, let's say, Q, denote that using Q, and there would be 1 minus that. If the product is not defective, then it is good product, so that is 1 minus 0.02. Now I want to calculate the probability of 2 defectives, so x equals 2. Now to choose 2 of the products randomly from 50 water, the probability is 50C, the combination is 50C2, and then 2 of them I'll get defective, so it's gonna be defective, 1 defective, and then 2 defective, and then rest of the products I'll get non-defective, which is basically I would say 1 minus 0.02 times 1 minus 0.02, and then this goes all the way to my rest 48 products, like that. Now if I use this notation here with nd and everything to have a generalized formula, I can write p x equals d small d number of defectives, and then I can replace this 50 with sample size n, c, d instead of 2, and then these numbers I can say p0 times p0 and so on, and this is my q0, so times q0 times q0, and then I have 48 of those q0s. To do one more step, NCD, and then this P0, I can generalize that the number of defective I'm looking for. So this is basically P square. P0 is square, so that's P power 2. That 2 comes from the number of defectives, and then I can write that Q as, I have 48 of those, so that comes from the good products 2, like that. So that is the binomial distribution. It is used for infinite population, so the lot size big N is not really important in this case. And then I can write these as this 50 and 2. I actually wanted to do it in the earlier here, but I forgot. So NC D and then P0 D Q 0. Instead of 50 I can write the sample size, and instead of 2 I can write my number of defectives. So that's it about the binomial distribution.